Alright, what's up everybody? I got a video for you today. It's going to show you a comparison of two products that I used last fall to seal cracks in my driveway. One of them worked excellent, one of them did not. Let me show them to you. These are the two products I used last fall. Sika Pro Select asphalt sealant. I bought a few of these. I ended up running out, and in a pinch I picked this up at my local Home Depot to use. Because I got this on Amazon, I'll put a link down in the description. I'm going to show you how these two products held up over the last year. It is October. I sealed the cracks in my driveway last October. I'll show you why I recommend this Sika Pro Select over this one. Alright, I got some cracks here that I filled with the Sika Pro Select last fall. And as you can see, the cracks have been filled and self-leveled and have held up really well. If you look at this direction over here, the crack has continued over the last winter and into the summer, and so I'm going to fill that part up. But if I continue down this way, you can see how good this actually worked. There was one little spot right here where some of the sealant came out, but as we continue down the line, you can see that it ended up holding up really well. Let me show you some other cracks on the driveway. These cracks were filled in and held up really well. Down towards the end of my driveway, I ended up running out of this stuff and having to use the sealant that I bought at Home Depot. Let me show you how that held up over the last year. Alright, so I ran out of this sealant right about here, and I ended up filling these cracks in with that other sealant. Let me show you. So right here is about the area that I ran out of the Sika Pro, and you can see it's still filled in. And then here is where I transitioned to the other filler, and it has completely dried out and is now showing a crack again. So all of these that I did towards the end of my driveway here all look like this now. Right? Terrible. In less than a year, they all need to be refilled. So all these cracks that I have down here now need to be filled in with this Sika stuff. So again, crack that was filled in with the stuff from Home Depot, and then the stuff where it was filled in with the Sika Pro. Alright, there you go, just a quick video for this. My driveway is about 17 years old. I'm trying to keep it in as good a shape as I can because it's almost 100 feet long and 2 car lengths wide. So it'll be quite expensive when it comes time to replace it. So I'm trying to do the best I can to keep this thing from falling apart. So anyway, if you need to fill in cracks in your own driveway, pick some of this stuff up. Works pretty good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.